When the world said no, it can't be done, he said, watch me rise like the morning sun. With a mind like fire and a soul like steel, he built a future the world can now feel.
No shortcuts taken, no corners bent, just truth in code and a heart well spent. While others chase profit, he builds for peace, a revolution where everyone has release.
From Cincinnati roots to global reach, his mission clear on every speech. Decentralized power, AI with care, XR worlds where dreams are fair. He didn't come for fame or flash, he came to live, to heal, to last. No selfish gain, no hidden scheme, just a pure love for the human dream.
We stand with Ash
through night and day.
When the critics talk,
We'll find our way.
we stand with Ash
Through storm and flood,
His name is honor,
his work is fair.
not for himself,
But for you and me,
a new world rising.
wild and free,
We stand with Ash
and we always will,
with every heartbeat.
with every skill.
Founders and affiliates, raise your hands. This is the moment we understand the patience, the wait, the silent fight was all for a future bathed in light.
No IPO pressure, no Wall Street chains, just wealth shared freely, breaking old pains. We're not just users, we're family, we're kin, built on trust from deep within.
They said no one could change the game, but Ash rewrote the rules, no shame. Smart cities breathe, health tech heals, biometrics guard what's sacred and real. And when the world comes knocking, begging for a piece of what he's got, we'll stand taller, stand together, because we're the mission, now and forever.
Who leads with love?
Who builds with truth?
Who gives without taking?
Who's the future's awakening?
Well, yeah. We stand with Ash through night and day.
When the critics talk,
We'll find our way
we stand with Ash.
through storm and flame.
His name is honor,
His work is fair,
not for himself,
but for you and me,
a new world rising.
wild and free.
We stand with Ash
And we always will,
with every heartbeat.
with every skill.
We stand,
Not for glory, but for what's right.
We stand,
we stand,
Not for profit, but for purpose.
rising together.
We stand with Ash because he stood first, because he believed when no one else did, because his dream is ours.